Hello everyone, glad to see you here. This is Digibur channel about fixing unavailable iPhone tutorial. If you want to learn more about this, keep watching and subscribe to us. So if you lost the lock screen passcode on your iPhone, you may get a page shows iPhone unavailable or security lockout error. For data security, you can't get into your iPhone under this circumstance. So in today's video, we're gonna teach you how to bypass iPhone passcode to regain access to your device in 4 ways. So keep watching. Keep entering the wrong passcode until an Erase iPhone option come into sight. Now you can easily erase and factory reset your iPhone through this option. This option only appears while your device is running iOS 15.2 or higher and connecting to a network. So if the Erase iPhone doesn't show up, don't worry, you can get help from another 3 solutions. Alright. Tap Erase iPhone at the bottom, then the Erase All Content and Settings page comes out. What you need to know is all data in your iPhone will be deleted completely during this process. To confirm your option, tap Erase. Now you can use your Apple ID and password to erase your device, so enter your Apple ID password to sign out. Wait a moment here, your device will restart and start to load. It may take some time. Once completed, your iPhone is thoroughly unlocked. If the Erase iPhone option is no use for you, a third-party tool called iPhone Unlocker from AppGeeker can provide a more quick and easy way to unlock your iPhone. This tool can remove the unavailable screen as well as the passcode on your device. You can get it from appgeeker.com and I'll put the link below this video. Okay, let's go on. Once opened iPhone Unlocker on your computer, you can see there are 3 panes on the program. The part of white passcode works for you to bypass the passcode and get access to your phone, so click on it and click Start button to use this tool to achieve the unlocking. In this page, it reminds you to connect your iPhone to the computer. Click the on-screen instruction and follow the steps to enter recovery mode so that the tool can read your iPhone. For this iPhone 12 right here, you need to connect the device to the computer at first and turn it off. Once it's shut down completely, press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, keep pressing the side button until the recovery mode screen appears. Now, your device is in its recovery mode. If you are using an iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus, connect your device to the computer. Keep pressing the volume down and side buttons for around 20 seconds, don't let go of the button until the recovery mode screen appears. If you have an iPhone 6 or earlier, connect your device to the computer. Keep holding the home and side buttons at the same time, don't release the button until you see the recovery mode screen. Once entered recovery mode, it will jump to the next page automatically. Select your iPhone information by clicking the drop-down list. Once done, click Start button, then you can see a loading bar here. iPhone Unlocker is downloading the newest iOS software for your device to remove the passcode and unlock your device. You should wait a while in this step. Once finished, it will pop up a window. The data of your iPhone will be erased during the unlocking process. If you have backups in iCloud or PC, don't worry, you can recover them back. Enter 0000 in the file, then click Unlock button to trigger the unlocking task. When it reaches to the end, it shows your iPhone is unlocked successfully and your device will reboot. Without iPhone unavailable or security lockout error anymore, iPhone unavailable or security lockout has gone. If Find My iPhone feature has been toggled on in your locked iPhone and you have another iPhone or iPad device, you can use Find My app to unlock your unavailable iPhone. So here I will use another iPhone to do this. Make sure this iPhone signed in with the same Apple ID you used on your locked iPhone. Open Find My app on the device. Tap Devices option at the bottom. Swipe up, select the unavailable iPhone from the list. Once verified, tap on it. Swipe up again, tap Erase this device at the bottom. Tap Continue button to move on. Tap Erase option on the top right corner. Now all content and settings will be erased when your locked iPhone connects to the internet. If Find My Network is enabled, you will still be able to locate this iPhone. Once finished the erasing task, your device will restart and you won't see iPhone unavailable or security lockout on the screen. You can also use iTunes to restore your iPhone by placing the device into recovery mode. You can check the operation we mentioned before. Okay, let's put this phone into recovery mode. Once entered, run iTunes on your computer, click Restore option. Click Restore and Update to confirm. Alright. Next, iTunes will download the latest iOS software to reset your iPhone to factory settings. You can check the progress here. If the time takes over 15 minutes, your device will restart again and it will keep stuck in iPhone unavailable and security lockout screen. You need to repeat the recovery mode operation one more time. Once downloaded, it may take some time to restore your iPhone. Wait patiently. Once done, you will see your device restarts and you can use it after the setup. So in today's video, we brought 4 ways you can use to fix your unavailable iPhone. 1. Erase iPhone. 2. iPhone Unlocker from appgeeker.com. 3. Find My app. 4. iTunes. Hope this video helped, and if you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up and feel free to share it with anyone who may need this. Thanks for watching. Click the subscribe button and I'll see you next time.